Let's extend the idea of lateral surface area to other figures now. Let's take the example of this cube. So in this cube, the lateral surface area will exclude, it will not include, it will exclude surface number 1 and it will exclude surface number 6. When we calculate the lateral surface area, we will be calculating the surface of these 4 surfaces of the cube. If we look at a triangular prism, this is a triangular prism. If we look at the lateral surface area, it will exclude this triangular face, it will exclude this triangular face, and it will include these 3 rectangular faces. Here's a pentagonal prism. The lateral surface area will exclude these 2 pentagons, but what it will do is it will include these 5 rectangular faces on the prism. Is there a general formula we can come up with for lateral surface area? Well, here's an interesting one. Let's look. The lateral surface area of this triangular prism consists of 3 rectangles. This one, and this one. If we look at the first face, the area of the first face will be given by the length, which is h, times the breadth, which we have called a. So let's call it a times h. For the second face, we will have b times the same height, h. So plus b times the same height, h. And the third face will be c times h. So if we write this as AH plus BH plus CH. Now, if we look at these 3, all 3 of them have H in common. So what we can say is that this is H times A plus B plus C. Now, what is A plus B plus C? If you look at it, this is A, this is B, and this is C. You can actually see that these are the 3 sides of this triangle, and A plus B plus C actually gives us the boundary length or the perimeter of the triangle. So we can say H times the perimeter gives us the lateral surface area. Can we apply this to other figures? Yes, we can. If you look at this pentagonal prism, in order to find its lateral surface area, all we need to do is find this perimeter and multiply it by the height of the prism. If you look, in fact, at the cube, all we need to do is find the perimeter of these 4 sides and multiply it by the height over here. And similarly, for a cuboid, no matter which way you put it, if I put it this way, I can find the perimeter over here and multiply it by the height over here. This will give us the lateral surface area, which excludes the top and the bottom surfaces.